Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel A B C. A B C. A is for aeroplane. B is for bicycle. C is for car. So let's go. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. Now I am drawing letter A. I am using brown color now. Now I am drawing aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. I am using blue color now. A is for aeroplane. A is for apple. I am using red color now. I am using yellow color now. Now I am drawing letter B. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for bicycle. B is for bat. B is for ball. B is for bike. B is for bicycle. Now I am drawing bicycle. I am using brown color now. I am using green color now. B is for bicycle. Now I am drawing letter C. I am using red color now. C is for car. C is for cat. Now I am drawing car. I am using red color now. I am using red color now. C. C is for car. C is for cat. Now I am using green color now. Hey kids, A B C. A is for aeroplane. B is for bicycle. C is for car.